Hi guys, now I will show you how to replace a battery in laptop. Currently I am showing you by replacing battery in my Dell laptop, which is very similar to all other brands also. Okay, first of all I will show you that my laptop is not turned on because the battery in my old laptop is dead, completely dead. So I decided to replace the battery in my Dell laptop. I ordered a compatible battery for my Dell Latitude 3500 model laptop in Amazon. I ordered the compatible battery. So first of all, unbox the battery. First of all, let me open the cardboard box. Yeah, inside there is a battery and a visiting card. Okay. Now the quality of the batteries look great. It's almost similar to the original battery and the branding also there. But actually the battery is not an original one. I ordered a third party vendor battery, that one. Now I'm going to remove the back door of my laptop. You also unscrew the screws from the back door of your laptop. After unscrewing all the screws, remove the back door gently and keep it aside. Now you will see the old battery in my laptop. You just remove the screws of the battery with the help of the screwdriver. There is four screws on the four sides of the battery. You just remove the screws and please keep the removed screws with you safely because we need those screws to fit our new battery in our laptop. Be sure that you removed all the four screws from four sides of the battery. Now gently remove the battery from the back panel and remove the connector of the battery. Just by plugging out the connector, just disconnected the connector from the battery. That's it. Hey, no, this old battery is useless. I just keep it aside. Now take the new battery and check the battery is fit within the position perfectly. Yeah, I checked that my new battery is fit in the position perfectly. Now I am going to connect the connector to the battery port. Please be careful and slowly connect the connector. Don't hurry. Just plug in smoothly. Yeah. Check all the connections of the battery is properly connected to the motherboard. Once it's connected, you just place the battery in the position and screw the battery. Now we are going to screw the screws to fit the battery one by one. Please be gentle. Don't over tight the screws. It will damage the panel of your laptop. So please be sure you are gently tighten the screws. Don't over tight. Okay. Please be ensured that you fit all the four screws of the battery. That's it guys, we installed a new battery in our laptop. Let me check before closing the back door. First whether our laptop battery is installed properly or not. First we are need to check, then after only we are going to close the back door of our laptop. Yeah, my laptop is turning on. So it means the battery is connected and installed properly. If you feel my video is useful for you, please hit the like button guys. Please hit the like button. Yeah, now it's time to close the lid properly and it's time to install the back door again back to our laptop. Just place the back door and adjust it properly. Once it's adjusted properly, you just tighten the screws. Yeah, finally, my laptop is installed with a new latest battery that I ordered from the Amazon. I hope your laptop battery is also you installed properly by following step by step as I shown in this video. If you feel this video is useful for you, please hit the like button. I connected the charger also, the battery start charging. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the like button. Bye bye.